It's been a successful year here at Kennesaw, and it has to do with our customers being loyal to us. It has to be with all of our employees that have driven those miles and serviced these customers. And it's really a spirit of thankfulness to our customers for being with us and for all of the folks here at Kennesaw that helped service those customers.
They're very passionate, their generosity, their kindness, and you can feel it, not just today because of the open house, but every day you walk through the door.
It's just like a big family. It's amazing how close-knit everyone is.
We have an attitude of we care. It's kind of a three-pronged approach. If we care about our customers, if we care about our folks here, and if we care about the community as a whole, we create some loyalty.
Very family focused, very driver driven. I'm very blessed to be a part of the organization. Very excited.
Everybody is approachable, just walking in the hallways, talking with folks coming in and wandering into Kelly's office and just talking with her. It truly is an open door policy.
Definitely an open door policy here.
I've only been here 5 years. I can go in here and almost everybody knows my name.
Kennesaw Transportation really cares about their drivers. They have top-of-the-line equipment and a really good team working and supporting the drivers.
Dispatch, wonderful to work with. That can be a problem with large companies because you don't never know who your dispatcher is. They don't have a face.
At Kennesaw Transportation, you're more than just a number. The gratitude, the caring, the love that they share with all their employees is just amazing.
The longevity bonus was given out today.
No other company offers this kind of benefit as far as stay 5 years and we'll give you $10,000. My wife and I both started 5 years ago. Both of us got $10,000. That's a heck of a benefit.
It's fantastic. Today we gave away $170,000. I don't know of many companies that do that.
First time I've seen that kind of money spread around within the employees. It's amazing.
This company also offers quarterly bonuses. We got a Christmas bonus today. The longer you're here, the bigger percentage you get. And then throughout the year, you get safety bonuses on a quarterly basis. So they got a mileage bonus. It's just a wonderful company to work for.
It's that family atmosphere of wanting to be inclusive to everybody. Whether you've been here a week or whether you've been here 30 years, it's an expression of gratitude and thanks for what everybody does to contribute to Kennesaw.
This will be my home, a place I can retire from, a place I can build upon with all my knowledge and teamwork throughout the whole company. I'm looking forward to 2020. I think it's going to be outstanding. Merry Christmas, everyone, and have a safe and happy holiday.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. I hope you have a great time this holiday season with your family and friends. I just wish everybody the best in this coming year, and 2020 will be a great year.